What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to tell you why is my Shopify store unavailable and how to fix it. Now first thing you should do simply is to open your Shopify and log in into your account. Then you want to go to online store on the left side right here. Then go to preferences, and what you should do right now is to simply scroll down and you will find here this message. It says to let anyone access your online store, pick a plan. So what you should do is to simply click on pick a plan. Then it will jump you directly to this page right here. And now what you should do is to simply pick any plan that you want. And I advise you guys to read all the features of every plan. What does it give you and how does it cost and so on. And be careful guys, here is the price of the plan itself. And they will just give you the first month for $1. But this is actually the real price, as you can see here and here. And these are the features that they will give you exactly according to which plan you choose. So what you should do is to simply pick any one of these plans and enter your card data and pay for it. Then after that, you will have to go back to the dashboard right here and go to the same page that we have been. So click on online store, then go to preferences. And after choosing the plan, this message will disappear and you will have to uncheck this box right here. As you can see, you will have to uncheck this one in order to remove the password and give the access to visitors. And after unchecking this box, make sure to click on save down below right here. Please don't forget to save before you go back. And after that, the shop will be available to anyone. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.